on me. Crazy chance to follow, and he caught me in the bottle. He said, I'll fix your act, you'll take Jack the dog. I said, wait a minute, Chester, you know I'm a peaceful man. Said, that's okay, my boy, won't you feed him when you can? Take a load off Annie, take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. You put the load right on me. Catch a cannonball now to take me down the line. My back is sinking low, and I do believe it's time to get back to Miss Fanny. You know she's the only one. Send me here with her regards for everyone. And take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. You put the load right on me.